This Zerillo Realty property video is presented by Katie Avis. Posh and modern designer unit is move-in ready. Every possible upgrade from built-in surround sound SYTEM to touchscreen technology awaits your convenience. Open concept floor plan. Entertainer's dream kitchen with stainless steel state-of-the-art gourmet appliances. Custom kitchen cabinetry with built-in spice rack organization and storage systems including a double-door frosted glass pantry, all touch-to-close no-slam technology. Oversized kitchen island with storage and room for seating while also encapsulating a built-in temperature-controlled wine and beverage cooler. Gleaming laminate floors throughout. Expansive dining/living area combo features walkout to XL east-facing balcony measuring 22 by 7. Dual walkout balcony overlooking lush landscape and downtown Chicago skyline with plenty of serenity and privacy. 2 oversized bedrooms featuring massive closets complete with shelving and room for storage. Primary bedroom suite includes walk-in closet with sleek slide-to-open farm barn style door. En-suite master bathroom includes state-of-the-art rainfall shower, custom-built and designed soft touch-to-close floating vanity complemented with an LED touch-screen vanity mirror and completed with a walk-in linen closet. In-unit oversized LG washer-dryer combo with shelving and space for cleaning supplies and garment racks. Unit includes 2 temperature-controlled assigned corner premier garage parking spaces, plus an oversized corner storage unit. Luxury doesn't get any closer to O'Hare and highways. In proximity to local shops, stores, highly rated schools and more. For more information, review the details.